Hey guys, let's talk about how you can connect your sports camera to your cell phone using Wi-Fi. This is the GH88. Okay, I have here the white version in this box, but I also work with any version. I have here, for example, the black one. And I can just turn the camera on and connect to my cell phone. So it's pretty simple. So before that, what I have to do is just download the app. Let me just come here to my cell phone so you see how it works. Basically here on the Apple Store. Just look for Sports DV. That's the app. You see here, that's the icon. Sports DV Lifestyle. Open this up and you see that's the app you're supposed to use, right? So when you try to connect the camera, it's not going to connect if the camera is not ready for it, right? So what I have to do is just come here. Of course, I need to turn on the camera. So just press and hold until the camera turns on. And you see here, that's light, light blue. Right? And then you press twice and it starts blinking like this. Okay, so the camera is now ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. So just need to come here to your Wi-Fi and look for the one that's the camera. Well, basically the Wi-Fi is going to connect directly to the camera and the password is 1234567 Okay, that's the password to connect to this Wi-Fi. But first you need to look here and find the signal. Sometimes it takes a while, so the camera shows up here. There we go. GH88, that's the one. I just hit here and you see that stops flashing. So right now it's connecting to the camera. It's going to ask you for the password. Again, 1234567 right? So mine, it didn't ask because I already connected to the camera before and I have the password here in the memory. So there we go. As long as you connect here to the Wi-Fi, you come back to your app, the Sports DV, and then you just hit connect to the camera, right? And then I don't know why it comes here to allows you to do some stuff here, use cellular data, Siri, whatever, but just come back to the app, wait for a while, and it's going to connect, right? So just wait for it. There we go. Then I have this option to play it. Now you're live. You see here, it's working, right? And from here, you can do whatever you want. You see here, you have the configuration, have information for the battery. You can just take a snapshot like this, and you can start recording. So when I press here, it starts recording. It vibrates there, it starts recording. See here, the LED changes. It's now green and blue is flashing. It's recording. I see here the information that's recording. So I can control here from my cell phone. So basically I can put the camera whatever I want and control remotely here from my cell phone. It stops recording. And I can come to the configuration. Of course, here I have the SD card already installed in the camera, right? And here I can have the setup. So I can enable video sound, time watermark, loop recording. Here, for example, it's going to loop 3 minutes of recording. And you have all other setup there, right? So basically that's the way you can connect your GH88 camera to the Wi-Fi and use on your cell phone, okay? So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.